Welcome back to Six Pack Garage, Phoenix, Arizona. Getting a little warm in the garage, but gotta get stuff done. So this is the Barn Find E46. It's a 2003 325i, and the rear speakers are completely blown out. One of them actually has no paper cone left, so definitely had to take care of that. Got these Amazon speakers. There's some information in this video that you probably won't find in others that will save you a lot of hassle. My goal here was to be able to use kind of an inexpensive speaker without getting OEM speakers and making it work without purchasing a whole bunch of other stuff. So stay tuned and watch me struggle. It should be pretty easy though.
Okay, I was going to use a pry tool to pull these off, but I'm just kind of flop off. But look at how blown those speakers are. There's like nothing left of these things. Yeah, I'd say those are shot. Alright, take that off. There we go. Wow. I've never seen speakers that bad. Okay, so I bought these. I'm actually shooting this video through the rear window. But I bought these off of Amazon. They're adapters so that I don't have to cut the factory wiring. So this will just kind of go right on here. I'm not going to click it on right now because I still got to put the other ends on to fit the aftermarket speakers. Alright, so I just got these off of Amazon. Now these are 2 ohm speakers. So if you're using the factory amplifier on your E46, you need 2 ohm speakers. So just double check your magnet on the back of your magnet. It will tell you. Because if you put 4 ohm speakers in it, it's going to be super quiet and you're not going to like it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to trim the outside ring so I can fit that into the factory plastic trim. So I'll do a little cutting.